Right, so finally, a moment of truth. I think it's the last frame that we need to finish. Let's just duplicate this, and let's name this 6. Last one. And here, let's just first hide this and add another, like move it. Okay, so hopefully. Yeah, let's just finish with the last one. Get rid of this. Okay, this as a reference layer. So like she's already like touching the floor, and I want her to like jump forward. So this will be the jump forward part. This will be like the reference part. So yeah, let's just hide it because I already know how to draw. Okay, so let's make it more efficient. It's already pretty dark, pretty late. It's like 1 o'clock. I spend like 18 hours to work a day, and I have to go to sleep. I'm really tired. So yeah, let's get this over with. Right now, I think like she's like jumping. So in order for you guys to see more clearly, I'm going to make this part like more inside. You can even like rotate it a little bit. Okay, just something like this. Okay, and deselect. And this parts you can make her maybe more like outside a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is brush, color picker, like a more outside a little bit, outside, like this. So here I can use the sword to sort of cover it, and things, and things are like the green is like a constant moving, the purple is it's like a pinkish, it's constantly moving. So I'm not too worried about it. Just erase this part. Okay, that's kind of okay. Yep, and let's add the darknish color here. So just to change, and then nothing really changed that much. In fact, of course the leg part, I'm going to just move this part of the leg. Maybe I can make her like a more drastic movement, like this. Okay, and I can do something like just erase, make more pointing to the left. Hopefully that will work. There's the dress part. Just change the this part a little bit, and this one I'm trying to separate this. Okay, I'm going to make it outside a little bit because I want her to trying to reach the ground. So hopefully this will work. Erase some parts. Like she really wants to like move forward. Okay, and then her dress will like going up a little bit. Just a tiny little bit. Her hand, shadowy part. Just move the pixel a little bit, and add some variation. Okay, so if the hair is like bump up this way, I'm going to bump this up this way, erase this, and they're going down a little bit, just like a wave, and constantly up and down. And all the parts here can have a tiny little movement, just to make it more natural. Okay, and I'm going to zoom it out. Just make sure it's like the. Then maybe this part I need to like erase, just to make it more straight. I don't want the because if it's not straight, it's like a too obvious mistake. Even though it's a pixel art, you don't want other to say, hey, this is like an obvious mistake. Your pixel art, you don't want that. At least, hey, make it straight. Yeah, maybe that's it. Okay, I'm pretty satisfied with it. Yeah, let's save this in case I lose it. And the first frame here, add it, change to here, add it, change to this, add it, change to this, add it, change to this, then add it, change to this. Okay, I don't know whether it's like already finished with the loop or not. So if you're like it's still lacking, I'm going to you know, do the like a problem solving again. Okay, I'm going to zoom it out a little bit. I think the like the movement is a little bit weird. Okay, up and down. Okay, of course you can change the duration as well. So different frame can have like a different duration. So going here, going this way, going down, going here, going this, up. Yeah, I think maybe the position needs to be changed as well. So here, like this should jump up. Okay, so this okay, this one should go up, like way up. The whole should go up a little bit. Okay, so this is like a fine-tuning. Then this is like a go down. Yeah, pretty good. Then this should like go up a little bit. Yeah, yeah, kind of a jump, and then here, and then it'll go back here. Yeah, I think her face needs to be changed a little bit, because I want her face to like rotate. Okay, let's just like her face just got like a one frame of facing left. Yeah, two frame. Yeah, this two frame facing left. So maybe I'm going to change. Yeah, three in fact. So these three, I'm going to make like a gradual changes. Like Okay, in fact, it's not too drastic because this three like going straight, this three is like facing us, but it's a little bit too much, isn't it? So I'm going to just modify this by get the color here, maybe just cover some part of the eye. Okay, this down, but we can gradually move some part of our eye going to right a little bit. Okay, I have no idea whether this will work or not. Okay, it's just if it did not work, I have to like rewind the whole process. So going here, going down. Okay, I'm going to move this maybe to right a tiny little bit, because it's a pixel art. It's not like really hard for me to put everything to the right. Okay, so maybe I'm like doing this correct, but I have to fill the blank, because if I hide this, there will be empty pixel. Okay, all the pixel will be empty. Well, I don't want that. In fact, I'm going to zoom in just to fill the pixel, because right now it's like going crazy with all this pixel. I don't want that. Yeah, on the high side, like there are a lot of pixels that I did not cover at this point. So yeah, you have to be more patient while you're doing this. Got to be more patient. So this part is like nearly transparent. I don't want that. Okay, let's try this one. So the turning of the head is just way too quickly, I think. But this one should at least give a transition effect. So yeah, let's deal with this turning of head. Okay, this is a really subtle one. So the head on the eye left. Okay, I'm going to do something hacky. I just overlap this. Okay, maybe I can overlap this, and then deselect, fill the color on here. Yeah, just leave one area. Yeah, I'm going to leave this one, or maybe just hide this. Okay, maybe just get rid of this. Get a really subtle color out here. Then rest will be the hair part. So just to give the player a hint that she's actually turning around to the right side. Okay, and then completely turn around. Like going up, going down a little bit, actually down. Okay, and then jumping up. Yeah, maybe that's the way to go. Let's play this. So the actual running part is a little bit weird. Okay, this is just a fine-tuning part. So I'm going to make it like 0.2. Just make it like a little bit jerky. Yeah, maybe too jerky. 0.15. Let's make other. Maybe that's the way to go. So a little bit jerky, but yeah, pretty good. In fact, pretty good. Yeah, they already can pass as an animation. Yeah, pretty good. So yeah, I love it, and this can add to the connection, add a collection of like an idle animation, like a standing animation. Yeah, that's pretty much all for this video, and all these assets will be in my like a indie game, and if you're like interested, I also got a coding channel where I built the game in public. Okay, so thanks, bye.